I'm pretty sure, however, a lot of the viewers at home right now would be thinking like, hey, masklab is such a specialized sort of business, specifically catering to the times that we're in right now, given the situation of COVID, given how Hong Kong and even other countries in the world are functioning right now. So,
Yep.
what plans do you have in store for masklab? How do you envision that this business can continue growing even after the COVID pandemic?
Yeah, so that's a very good question. And I think the difference between us and a lot of people that are in the mask industry is that we forecasted this industry to last just a year when we first got into it. So all the planning, including how we calculate our investment, how we calculate our rental periods, are based on that assumption. So all the store rental periods are about 6 months, with a few actually expiring in a month or two. So that's how we anticipate that we're going to scale down. Now, that said, I don't think masks are completely going away soon, but they're not going to be as big as what we're seeing right now. So Mask Lab has 4 stores in just Hong Kong alone. That's not going to last. So I anticipate that by the summer, we'll probably go down to 2 stores and then later on 1 store. Now, do I think that society has been fundamentally changed? And do I think that even with the vaccines coming, people are still going to be wearing masks for a considerable amount of time? I think so. So I think for the next at least 2 to 3 years, we're going to have people wearing masks on a daily basis. Perhaps it's going to start going down. But where we see how we belong in this industry is that we keep our operations small, make no more capital expenditures, make no more investments on it, and try to serve the niche market that's going to be there. And where we see that is there are masks everywhere now. It's no longer in short supply. What we've actually kind of witnessed here is the emergence of a complete new industry, kind of like the shoe industry. Like imagine, you were from a time where people didn't wear shoes and suddenly people started wearing shoes. Like, hey, this is a great idea. And then somebody came in and said, hey, did you know your shoes can have different designs? That's where we're kind of at right now in this process. But eventually, where it's going to become is that it's going to be like shoes right now in the world. Designs are normal. You're just going to see shoes of every kind of design in the world. And same with masks. So where we're going to really stand out is having a unique story and be really true to our value. And our value is redefine the new normal with delightful designs and designs with stories. We've featured designers. So far, we've featured designers from Hong Kong. But we are now talking to designers and artists from all over the world to feature their work on our masks. And I think holding on to that niche market for the next few years would be where our company is headed.